Welcome, seekers of prosperity, to the Gilded Secrets Challenge. I am Mr. Gilded, your guide through the refined corridors of extreme wealth and financial mastery. The rich don't just work for money. They make money work for them. Today, we reveal 5 secrets that separate the wealthy from the rest. Observe carefully. Secret number 1, the power of start now. Many wait for the perfect moment to invest, but the wealthy know that time is the ultimate leverage. Compound interest is a seed that requires years of patience. The sooner you plant it, the larger the canopy of your financial freedom will grow. Don't wait to buy real estate or stocks. Buy them and then wait. The richest individuals started with what they had, right where they were. Secret number 2. Build 7 streams. One source of income is a risk. 7 sources represent a fortress. Diversification is the key to resilience. Imagine your wealth as a river fed by multiple tributaries. If one dries up, the flow remains strong. This is how the elite survive economic storms. Side hustles, dividends, rentals, and royalties. These are the gears of a well-oiled machine. Mr. Gilded ensures every gear is polished and spinning perfectly. Secret number 3. Automate your abundance. The wealthy don't manage every penny manually. They build systems that operate while they sleep. Automation removes emotion from the equation. By setting up automatic transfers and investments, you ensure consistency, which is the father of wealth. Your financial system should be as precise as a Swiss watch. Once the foundation is built, the maintenance requires only a fraction of your time. Secret number 4. Invest in your skills. The greatest asset you will ever own is the one between your ears. Knowledge yields the highest interest. The market changes, but a master of their craft is always in demand. Never stop being a student of the game. Upgrade your skills and your income will follow. High-value skills like negotiation, strategy, and technical mastery are the keys to the vault. Secret number 5. Spend less to own more. It is not about how much you make, but how much you keep. Discipline is the true luxury. True wealth is often invisible. It is the cars not bought and the mansions not financed. Live like a king in private, but a strategist in public. Frugality is not about being cheap. It is about being efficient. Direct your capital toward assets that grow, not liabilities that glow. You have witnessed the 5 secrets. Now the challenge begins. Will you apply this wisdom or let the vault close once again? Start today, build your streams, automate your life, invest in yourself, and master your spending. Your gilded future awaits. Subscribe for more secrets,